We are on a bus driving to the Maastricht for a city excursion with local tour guide, and our ship Viking Closer will be in Maastricht in a couple hours.
Снимаем его. 182 пассажира в корабле. Он рассчитан на 190 человек.
And ever since that time, there was population over there. And all these people, all together, they placed on the streets what they didn't like anymore, what they didn't want anymore, or as they said, I don't need it anymore. Or
Straddling on Meuse River, Maastricht is one of the Netherlands' oldest and most picturesque cities. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and as a birthplace of the European Union. Maastricht is a set where the Netherlands, Belgium, and Germany meet.
So we do have a bookstore also here in the city, in the church. Maybe they were telling about that Viking mostly want us to bring you to that place, but it's locked. So here we start walking to the city. Yes, basically. From 2.5 kilometers was only 1 meter 25 thick, and that was enough because he was shooting his bows and arrows. And a wooden arrow couldn't go through the wall from 1 meter 25, but also not through 50 centimeters. But that should be too weak, and that's why it is 1 meter 25. And then I mean from here to there, 1 meter 25. The roadway 3 loops above each other, but most of the time you only can see the upper loop. Away from that, when it was finished, not finished, it had a total length from 7.5 kilometers, and that used to be wider so that the horses could walk upstairs, the city walk, and pull the cannons and the cannonballs, because it turned from wooden arrows into, and they were 40 years ruined, and then fine, but then these children, all the children, they are older as well, so the owners could take care of all of them. That was a kind of insurance for them to have a lot of children. This is also the French part of the city.
Narrow cobblestone streets. You need to have very comfortable shoes.
This is a place for the development from management from Europe. And these students from Europe, only from Europe, they can study over here. And then, for example, I was studying here in the 80s, not here, but really on the university. I was studying law, but that was just for the Netherlands in these days. And from the time that we had the Maastricht Treaty, it was always an innovation, there's a development from Europe. Yeah.
So that's also why it's very dark.
Ням-ням-ням.
Ja, maar dit gaat wel de goede kant.
Market.
The old market square. It's still the place to browse, especially on Wednesdays and Fridays, when it hosts farmers and other vendors. It's surrounded by Baroque buildings, including the town hall. Best of all, it's an easy walk between the two squares.
Do you have something to
Oh, okay.
Back to the ship for lunch. Then after lunch we're gonna go back and see more in this city. Hello to all my viewers. Thank you for all likes, comments and subscription. We're back to the city, going to different stores and see Netherlands merchandise.
So many people. It's Sunday. Boutiques. And I will show you what we bought at the end of this video. Busy streets. It used to be one of the streets with living bad people, but right now there's designer boutiques. That's what I bought from Netherlands, Maastricht.
we back to the ship again and going to the Nijmegen, another city of Holland.
That's how close he goes to the shore.
Yeah, it's going for this rock. One of the rocks is going to go down now.
Oh my god, it's so close.
My next video will be about Nijmegen. Bye bye now. See you next Saturday.
And market in Nijmegen, 1 for 15, 2 for 25. We first, let's see what they offer to us. It's 7 euros. This is 12, 15, 15 and whatever. Let us see.